Hello, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be kitting down my leftover drills from my Tinmi Arts Trout and Pond. I will link the kitting up and the completion video. Um, so what's it called? I've explained how I kit down in multiple of my previous videos, so most of this will just be a time lapse. But since the Tinmi Arts one actually does have three that are AB colors, and I keep my ABs, there's no, what's it called? I don't have that many, so I've been just keeping all my ABs into this, like, what's it called? Little file, like index card holder. Until I get a lot, I'm not going to get anything bigger, but I do use these to enhance any of my projects, and it's just easier for me to be able to see them like you know, in in one place. So yeah, and I just use baggies from other diamond paintings. So this one was, I don't know, one of the diamond paintings that come in the baggies, maybe the Who Can ones. And I used just the small ones on this because I used the slightly bigger baggies in my other ones. So yeah, this is why I kit up so nicely so that I could just take the label from the container and just stick it in here. I know Tinmi Arts does have some sort of numbering system. I think it's pretty much probably the same numbering system like that Diamond Art Club and Dreamer Designs uses. But some ABs show up like this, where they say it's 211 AB, and yeah, it's like, so they use the DMC number with the AB. Some just use this number that's before 150. That's what I've heard, but yeah, so we'll see. So far, I don't have that many, so none of these actually match what I currently have, so these are all just going to go into baggies. Okay, the rest of this will be in a time lapse, and I'll say hi at the end. right, I'm done, but look at how awesome this color is. Aquamarine. It doesn't show up as well on the screen, but this is a beautiful color. All right. Thank you for watching and happy diamond painting. Bye.